Sorry about that, guy. Dave Church, could you watch this one if you're not in it, please? Dave Church. It's quite important for me, please, Dave. Right, drivers, can you keep this clean for me, please? This is your C final two-wheel drive. I've got to get something done. So please, can you make sure that you keep it clean for Dave?
C final underway. Bit of carnage in the first corner. And they're getting through. Take it easy, guys. Just keep it nice and clean, please. Oh, bad luck for the second place car. Here comes your leader down the main straight. It is Lewis Jones. And followed by was David Shedd, but he's had a mistake in dropping back. We'll have to let it settle down a bit. Be careful as you rejoin the track, please. Here's Lewis Jones down the main straight. Good job, Steve. Second place looks like Forbesy. So Forbesy finding some form here, trying to hunt down young Lewis Jones. Oh, that was a big hit. Let's see, the lead is 2.3 seconds. Jones, Forbes, Fint, Child, Minter, Tapsell, Shedd, Hammond, and that's it. Nobody else is counting on my computer. Caution on the main straight. Okay, track is clear. 3 minutes and 45 seconds to go. Here comes our leader. Caution on the inside of the straight. Caution, caution. Car number 9, that is our leader, please. Pull way out in that second place. Thank you very much, car number 9. You are amongst the leaders, so be careful. Good driving, Mr. Forbes. Gave our leader a little bit of a tap, backed out of it, as we expect here. Nonetheless, here at Maritime, here's our leader. Pulled out a little bit of a gap, now 1.1 second on Forbes, Fint, Minter. Shedd is your top 5. 3 minutes and 10 seconds to go. Thank you very much, car number 9. I know how difficult that is, but oh, that looks like a dead car. Dead car. Here's our leaders, 1, 2, and 3 down the back straight, hanging a right, coming through the slippery section. Jones, Forbes, and Fint. Over the jumps, up onto the corner tabletop. 2 minutes and 45 seconds to go. Jones, Forbes, and Fint all equally spaced out now. They got a bit of clear track in front of them, but they will be into traffic here shortly. Here comes our leader, young Lewis Jones, down the main straight. Forbes again a little bit out of shape on the corner tabletop. You are halfway through. Lewis, your leader, is 1.23 second. Then it's Forbes, Fint, Minter, Child, Tapsell, Haman, and Shedd. Everyone else has or is not counting for some reason. Here's our leaders down the back straight. First and second have pulled away from Fint just a bit. I didn't see what happened there. Two minutes to go. And our leader is all out on his own now. The battle is for second. Got a nice lead now for Lewis Jones. But Forbes has his rear mirrors full of Fint. Here comes Fint. Forbes down the main straight. You have 1 minute and 35 seconds to go. Down the back straight they go. And Fint closes right up on, is that our leader? Oh no. And our leader had to stop for a pit stop.
Change of leader to car 4.
Keep going, Lewis. You have 1 minute 15. And I can tell you, you are exactly 4 seconds behind our leaders, so it is possible to make that back up. It is tough. Bad luck for Lewis, but he's back in third. So Forbes, you are our leader now. Paul Fint, you are second. There is 1 minute to go. Lewis Jones, you are third. 50 seconds now. Let's see if Lewis has closed up at all. 4.5 seconds, so it's pretty much exactly the same as last time round. Oh, our middle of the straight. Whoa, yeah, that one. Good job, Nicholas. He's concentrating so hard he didn't even hear me as he ran into that parked car. All right, well, 25 seconds to go. Forbes, Fint, Minter, Child, Tapsail, Jones, Haman, Shed. Five seconds to go on the race clock. You're racing to the line. Caution on the straight. Good job, Lewis. Yeah, he even made that look cool.
10's finished. 8's finished. 6 finished. Race over drivers, if we could have all the cars switched off please, and those with handout transponders, return them please, and then all the drivers out to marshal, thank you. The result for this final is first place car 4, second place
Paul Fent,
third place
Christian Minter,
fourth place car 8, fifth place
Paul Tapsell,
sixth place car 1, seventh place
Nick Harmon,
eighth place
David Shed,
ninth place
Richard Fulp,
and in 10th place car 7